Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, dears? Hope you will be fine. Now today I will deliver the lecture of English for you. This is lecture number 1 and the topic of our lecture is letter A, reading plus writing. So, are you ready for the lecture? Before taking the start, we will sing a poem together. Yes, do you want to sing with me? Okay, now let's take a start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Excellent! Great! Dear students, you know very well, in English subject, we learn about the letters with their sounds and their formations as well. So, today our lecture has 2 parts. In first part, we will do reading and in the second part, we will do the writing. Okay, let's take a start for the first part. First, I will ask a question for you. Can you tell me which is the first letter in alphabets? Yes, A. Excellent. This is the first letter in alphabets. This is letter A. Excellent. You can see a small letter A on your screen. Okay, today we are talking about the lower cases. So, first letter is letter A. Yes. And can you tell me what is the sound of this letter? Excellent. Yes, the sound of this letter is A. 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 It has a long sound. A. 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 This is letter A and the sound of this letter is A. 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 Can you tell me some words start with this letter? Any idea? Okay, yes. A. Apple. This is an apple. Apple. This is an apple. A. Apple. Excellent. Yes. A. A is the first letter in apple. Yes. Apple. Apple. Okay. Come to the next word. Yes. What is this? Almonds. Yes, these are almonds. Okay. Now here I will be silent. Okay. We will not pronounce the sound of this letter. So, we will read this letter like almonds. These are almonds. Okay? Almonds. Right? Yes, read with me. Almonds. Okay? Almonds. Very well done. Now, come to the next word. Now, a. Yes, arrow. This is an arrow and the first letter is A in this word. Arrow. A, arrow. Excellent. Okay. Now, next word is axe. Yes, we use it for cutting woods. Axe. Axe. Yes. Here A is the first letter in this word. A, you can say it. Axe. Excellent. Now, next word. This is an ant. Ant. Yes. Ant. Ant. This is an ant. Okay. Now, Yes, can you tell me about this word? Yes, apricots. A, apricots. A, apricots. Okay, in this word, A is the first letter. A, apricots. Excellent, very well done. Okay, one more time. A, apple. This is a fruit and it gives us energy. We should thankful to Allah for these kinds of blessing. Okay, apple, almonds, almonds. A, almonds. Okay, next is a arrow. It shows some specific direction. Arrow. Okay, a arrow. Okay, now a axe. A axe. Okay, now next is a ant. A ant. This is an insect. You can see it. A ant. Now a apricots. A apricots. A, here A is the first letter in apricots. This is another tasty fruit. Apricots. Okay. Now this is letter A. This is small a. This is a lowercase. And the sound of this letter is A. It has a long sound. A. 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 Okay. Here we have done the first part. Let's come to the second part. Are you ready for it? Great. In this part, we will do writing. So, first of all, I will discuss with you a line pattern and some kinds of writing strokes. Okay? Dear students, you can see a line pattern on your screen and it has been given on your notebook. So, these are 4 lines. Yes, you can it clearly. 4 lines and these have names. Okay, one by one I will tell you about these lines. So, first line, yes, you can see here the first line. This is called top line. Top line. Okay, first line is called top line. Now, second line is called middle line. Second line is called middle line. Now, the next line is baseline and the last line is lower line. Okay, top line, middle line, baseline and lower line. Excellent. Okay, here you can see some kinds of writing strokes. These are writing strokes. Yes, and these are 6 in numbers. Yes, you can see. We cannot write any letter without these strokes. So, these 2 parts, a line pattern and writing strokes, are very important when we write any letter. Okay? Now, respected parents, here I will discuss one thing with you. We know very well we have collected all the notebooks and workbooks of your child. So, it is not a difficult task. You can manage a line pattern on any loose sheet for the writing. Okay? You can use any rough notebook for this pattern and you can manage it easily for the writing. Thank you very much. Okay, where are my students? Yes, okay. Here you can see letter A, small a. Yes, and now how we will write small a on a line pattern? Yes, this is top line, this is middle line, this is baseline and this is lower line. Students, first you will trace this letter on this line pattern and next you will write it independently. Right? Okay, first Yes, first we will trace this letter on a line pattern, and you can see it. This letter should be in these two lines, right? Middle and base line. For small a, first you will start from the middle line. Okay, for this letter you will start from the middle line and you will connect these dots in proper way like this. Okay, again, yes, you will take start from the middle line and first you will make an anti-clockwise half circle. Okay, and now you will make a straight line with it like this, and now come down and touch the baseline, and here you will make a little loop or a small tail. This is small a. Okay, you will join the dots in proper way. When you will do tracing, when will you do tracing? Okay, now here you will write small a independently like this. Okay, listen to me carefully. First, you will make an anti-clockwise half circle like this. Now touch the baseline. Now here you will make a straight line like this. Now come down like this, touch the baseline, and here you will make a little loop and a little tail. Yes, this is small a. This is small a, and it should be in two lines, middle and base. This is a root letter. This is a root letter. Okay, small a. Excellent. You have written small a. Now we will do an activity now. Are you ready for it? Good. Okay, here you can see an activity. Match the relevant pictures with the given letter. It's mean you will match the relevant picture with the given letter. So, first, which letter is this? Yes, very good. This is small a, and the sound of this letter is a. Okay, here you can see some pictures on your screen. Yes, can you tell me about this picture? What is this? Yes, bat. Bat. This is a bat. And now here, this is a ball. This is a ball. Okay, now here you can see this. Yes, this is an apple. What is this? An apple. This is an apple, and here this is an arrow. Very good. Okay, now here, yes, now the first letter in bat. Yes. Is it small a? Is it small a? No, this is not small a. Okay, this is not a small a. This is small b. Okay, now in the next word, yes, ball. Ball. Yes, now is it small a? The first letter of this word is a. Is it? No, this is not a small a. This is not a small a, and this is also not a small a. So come to the next word. Okay, now in apple. Yes. What is the first letter in apple? Yes. Yes, a. This is small a. Yes, this is small a. In apple, small a is the first letter. Okay, it's mean we will join this picture with this given letter like this. Yes, a apple. A apple. Very good. Okay, now come to the next picture. Yes, this is an arrow. And what is the first word in, yes, first letter? What is the first letter in this word? Yes, A. A is the first letter in arrow. It's mean we will join this with the given letter. Okay, now here I will join this letter with this picture. A arrow. A arrow. Okay. A apple. A arrow. Great. We have done it perfectly. Good. Okay. Now, can you tell me, my dear students, which letter we have done today? Yes, letter A. This is a small a. This is small a. And can you tell me what is the sound of this letter? A, 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 a. It has a long sound. A, 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 a. Excellent, great. Our lecture has been completed here. I hope you enjoyed a lot. We will meet again with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.